Let me show you how we can find emojis in our keyboard on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So first let's open the keyboard. If you have only one language added to your keyboard, then you can simply find emojis over here. You will have this smiley face icon. We can tap on it in order to quickly jump to emojis. We can also switch to Bitmoji and stickers and so on and so forth. And we can keep scrolling over here in order to find certain emojis. We can use the search here. We can scroll to the right here at the top in order to use different categories. Now, if you have more than one language, so let me quickly add a keyboard language. There we go. So in that case, you will have this globe icon instead, and emojis are moved to the comma over here. So you need to press and hold your finger on the comma for like half a second, and then you can release your finger in order to go to emojis. And also there's one more way to access emojis, and that is by going to this icon with 4 squares on the left side. And then here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find emojis. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.